Hey guys, just to quickly show you some live proof of this strategy that it actually works. I'm going to show you the backend of my live bank dashboard, that's my South African bank, on how I'm earning dollars online from South Africa in a third world country. So over here is the backend of my online F&B banking PayPal services, which is the offshore system that I use to withdraw my US dollars. Over here, I just want to show you on the 29th of March, 3 times over here, and the 21st of March, I did a withdrawal of 7,000, 10,000, 8,000, and 6,000 Rand. If I come over to Google over here, it makes a conversion to about $1,802 online that I've withdrawn into South African rands. And also, just as a thank you for all the recent support on this channel, at the end of this video, if you stick until the end, I'm going to give you this $297 Snapchat crash course completely for free. So this is a course that will teach you how to build a business around Snapchat, how to use Snapchat traffic, how to target a younger audience, and what products to use when trying to sell and promote to a younger audience. As Snapchat is majorly a younger audience, not an older audience of something like Facebook, for example. So this is going to be a very handy course if you want to learn how to build a business around Snapchat. So make sure to stick until the end to see how you can get this. And also comment down below if you would like me to do a giveaway to you guys every single video that I upload on my channel from now on. That's a course giveaway, a money giveaway. Comment down below. I'd love to see who supports this idea so I know what kind of giveaways to give away in the future. And also, if you want to get the Drop Servicing Expert University program marked down from $1,900 all the way down just to $97, that's well over 98% off, just for those of you that watched this video. So if you clicked on this video and you're seeing this video today, lucky you, this coupon on the screen over here, make sure to go to the first link in the description and enter this coupon on the Drop Service University website to get that entire bootcamp for just $97 once off. You don't owe any commissions or anything like that on the success on your course or on that journey, because well, the course is just there to teach you how to build a business. Everything you do from there is all your profits and all your success. So like I said, make sure to go and use this coupon on the screen over here to claim everything for $97. Without further ado, we're going to get straight into my PC and I'm going to show you this method that I use to make passive income and to earn over $1,800 this week so far. In this video as well, I have another gift for you guys. As you can see, this video is just packed with giveaways and gifts. I really hope you watch this until the end to get a ton of value. So over here is an entire script that I use to convert a lot of digital membership-based area affiliate marketing products into passive income. Do you want to know the best way to make passive income online? Simply, in a nutshell, is promote digital membership-based affiliate products. That means when you refer someone to that product, you're going to get a commission every single month for the rest of your life. It's the easiest way to build true passive income. This script will do this for you, so make sure to keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to give you 3 of my best affiliate programs that are digital and pay passively for you to promote worldwide and earn anywhere in the world. What I like about this, you earn in dollars wherever you are. It naturally converts and automatically converts to your currency. Like I showed you in the beginning of this video, all my dollars convert into rands, and some of you may be lucky if your currency is weaker, such as I stay in South Africa where it's about 14 Rand to the dollar. When I get paid $100, I actually get paid about 1,500 Rand. So if your currency is weaker, you also earn more money, which is why I encourage you to start an online business and earn US dollars online. So this is the first platform I promote as an affiliate called Builderall. Now, every online entrepreneur, someone that wants to make a landing page, an online store, an e-commerce store, a Facebook page, and automate an entire business for them online. It could be anybody. It could be the local cycling shop in your city. It could be the local dentist. It could be the local mechanic shop or the auto car parts place that wants to get online. They can automate an entire online business that's a Facebook page, automatic DM response, automatic funnels and landing pages with done-for-you checkout systems. This Builderall tool has all of that in one central place for a monthly fee. You don't only have to use Builderall. I'm going to show you in depth how to do this now. You can also use clickfunnels.com. I personally prefer Builderall as it has a lot more options. I prefer their landing pages more, and they're also cheaper, meaning more people will be willing to purchase Builderall. You can also go over to capterra.com Click on all our categories over here. So Capterra is an entire database where you can find tons of affiliate products for you to promote, from CAD software to architecture software to agricultural software to server software to affiliate software, airline reservation systems, ALM software. You can just scroll down and down and down. And all you do is, for example, if I go and choose billing and invoicing software, you can highlight this Moon Invoice, you just copy it, you come over to Google, you click on paste, you go Moon Invoice affiliate program. Most of these will have affiliate programs. Over here you can see the Moon Clack affiliate program over here. So perfect, they have an affiliate program. You can become an affiliate for any product on this Capterra database as well, which will give you an access to a wide variety of products for you to promote. I'm going to explain to you specifically what you can earn with Builderall, as it's the, in my opinion, out of all the platforms that I've showed you in this video so far, my favorite one. So I'm just going to log in with my account over here. And if I actually come over to my affiliates dashboard, I'm actually going to show you a calculator which you can calculate how much you can earn every month passively from Builderall. So right now, my estimate for the next 30 days, I've only been promoting this for a week now, is $1,025 every single month. Estimates for the next 30 days, literally while I eat, sleep, and poop. That's what I'm earning with Builderall. On the left over here, if I click on Earnings Calculator and I click on Premium over here, just click on the Premium tab, it will put up a page like this over here. So let's go, how many sales can you make in a year? Let's take 5 per month. If you can just sign up 5 people in a month using the strategy that I'm going to show you, that's 5 times 12, which is 60 people. So let's go, for example, let's just type in 60. I didn't realize you can type in. If you can just bring in 60 people in your first year, take a look at how much money you will earn every single month. This is your estimated monthly reoccurring income after 60 people. That is 5 people every month, because you now have 60 people paying you every month. That is $1,200 every single month while you eat, sleep, poop, go on holiday, spend time with your family, doing whatever you want. But they also have a level 2 affiliate program. So let's say out of these 60 people, you refer 5 people that also go out and promote Builderall. So let's just take 5 people. How many sales can each affiliate make in a year? Let's say each of them only make 10 sales in a whole year. That's not a lot. If I go to 10, you're now going to make $2,300 every single month. Let's say you scale, you get 160 people in a year, and you refer 15 affiliates that make 10 sales every year. You are now making $6,500 every single month while you eat, sleep, and poop. That in my country is over 6 figures, 100,000 Rand every single month, which is a very wealthy income, considering that it's not just an income where you're literally doing nothing. And you have people like me that get thousands of people every single year. Let's say I get 1,000 people referred to Builderall. Let's say I don't even have any affiliates. On just 1,000 people referred to this program in a year is going to now pay you $20,000 every single month. So you can see how scalable this is. And remember, there's 8 billion people in this world. There's a market for anything. So hopefully you can understand how powerful and how much you can actually scale with the Builderall affiliate program and how much passive income it can bring in every single month. So this is where I want to show you my little script over here. So it's going to go something like this. Building a business is so tough, and digital marketing needs the right tools for the right job, like, and I listed some of the features that Builderall has, and the list goes on. And you can buy these things separately, but each of them will cost you more or less $40 to $50 a month, or even more. If you have money raining, then you might be fine with this, but I can see that you're starting out and you need to figure out the cheapest way to get these things. You should consider checking out an all-in-one tool that will do everything for you and all in one place. And ever since the first month, I've been able to repay for my tools because the cost is so low, plus I've been able to make a hefty profit every month through the affiliate program. You can check it out over here, and the tutorials that provide you will get you started in no time. Happy to help a fellow marketer, and all the best. Cheers. And you can then put your name there. So this is an amazing tool that we're going to use, that I'm going to give to you. All you need to do is leave a like on this video, comment down below that you're ready, leave a subscribe, and you can click on the link in the description down below to get access to this digital marketing script. But also quickly, make sure to keep watching so you can see how to get the Snapchat crash course at the end of this video. But let's continue with this. I want you to come over to the following website over here called clutch.co, which is a platform where you can find firms for your next big project. So just click on find firms over here, and we want to choose advertising and marketing, because Borderall has got to do with advertising and digital marketing. Over here you can see startup companies that are trying to post their websites and get their name and brand out there. So for example, we can use this one over here, Spire Agency. Let's just click on visit website. Let's just see what pops up over here. Most of these platforms, in fact, all of them will have a website, and on that website, they will have some kind of contact page or email or anything we can use. So over here, you can see, if I click on the menu button over here, if I just click on contact us, perfect. They also have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So we can either send them a message over here. We can also open up the menu bar, open them up in Instagram. So I'm going to do both. So here you can see I found the Instagram page as well as the contact page over here. So you just want to type in your name. Let's just go Jared, put in your email, your subject, who referred you to us, just put clutch.co, and you want to put for your message, literally this link in the description, entire script, just copy it like this and paste it over here. Now you've got an entire .v script. All you want to do is then come over to your office at Borderall over here. I'm just going to come back to my affiliate dashboard over here. You will see there's a long affiliate link. Just waiting for this to load up. Over here is your affiliate link. You can copy this. Just come over to the URL shortener on Borderall. Over here, you'll see they actually have their own URL shortener as well. I've already actually created one, so I'm going to show you what this looks like here. This is my little short URL. Copy this. You can paste your URL here and create a new one. And then all you want to do is just put your link like that. And then what you can also do is you can go and copy this exact same message, send them a DM on Instagram. All you do is, I think it's a okay, you need to follow them. I know on the mobile device you can actually send a message without actually following them. Send them that DM and see what they think. And from here, once you get a couple of signups, you're making your first $100 to $200 a month, you can scale with Google ads, Facebook ads, paid ads, Instagram shoutouts, start a TikTok page, and you want to scale and get your affiliate link everywhere, whether you want to pay for ads or continue with free traffic. Because what's nice is as soon as one company sees that they like this Borderall tool, you're going to earn every single month for the rest of your life. And then what you can do is you can go and take this Snapchat crash course, learn how to scale with paid ads using Snapchat and just run businesses on Snapchat, getting tons of affiliate commissions, sales, or whatever you are promoting on Snapchat. So this course will perfectly go in hand with promoting your Borderall affiliate link and promoting Borderall as an affiliate. So all you need to do is, if you want to get this free course, just leave a like on this video. I will really appreciate that. Comment down below that you're ready. You must subscribe down below with the bell on. I have a tool called vidIQ, so I can actually see when you comment if you subscribe, like a little notification comes up for me, and then I'll reply to your comment with the download link, direct download link to the Snapchat crash course, where you can actually get it for free and skip the entire payment checkout system so you don't have to pay for it. So without further ado, make sure to click the first link in the description to get Drop Servicing University just for $97, and make sure to go leave your comments, subscribes, and likes down below for the Snapchat crash course. But take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.